So what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for clicking over to this video. In this video today I'm going to be telling or enunciating the difference between this and these with the help of two examples. So watch the video very carefully until the very end to understand the concept of everything that I'm going to be describing here in this video. So in the next slide, which you're going to follow along here, so I'm going to turn over to the slide. Okay, so let's look into the first sentence here. This is my book. This is my book. This is my book. So as you can see here, like if I'm gonna show you, if I just zoom into the slide here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the voiced TH sound followed with the IT sound and followed with the S. Is my book. Book. So this particular is the vowel sound, which is pronounced as book. Whenever there's a combination of both the O's, whenever there's a combination of two O's, it will be pronounced with the vowel sound. So, this is my book. This is my book. So the difference here is that this and these, both two are pronounced nearly the same in the Indian pronunciation or Indian accent. However, in American English, there is a huge difference in the vowel shift. So let me yes. So the word is this. Now moving on to the next one is these are my books. These are my books. So here the vowel shift is from the I to E, which is the elongated E, which symbolizes like this, E. These are my books. These are my books. Books. These. So the first one was this, and the second one is these. This, these. This, these. The first one is pronounced with the S sound as this, this. And the next, the plural form is pronounced with the Z sound. Z. These, these, these. And this. So I hope you can understand the difference between the stress patterns in both this and these. Thank you very much for watching this video.